Hi guys, so today's video I am going to show you how to create a table just in HTML, nothing else, and we're going to be using Notepad++. So the first thing you're going to want to do is set your language to H and HTML, and then we're just going to create our HTML web page using our HTML tags and closing that off. We'll just quickly create a head, it's always good practice to use so, and we'll just give this a title of tables, and we will close that off. Now in the body section is where the entire table is going to go. Now a table can get quite complicated when building it in HTML, so I am going to be commenting on this code quite a lot just so everybody understands and no mistakes are made. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a table tag, and you're going to want to close this off and give it a bit of space so we can work with this here. So now we're going to open up a tag called thead, and we're going to close that off a little bit further down. And this is, I'm going to just comment the code here, this is for the headers of the table, and what I mean by that is the top row of a table you normally have three things. So I'll just show you now. You use tr, and I'm going to go ahead and close tr as well at the bottom of thead. And this is for the table row, so that's what tr stands for. And then we're going to go th, and we're going to give something called a name, and we're going to close that off. The next table header is going to be age, and we'll close that off. And then the next table header is going to be location, and we're going to close that off there like so. And then that is it. This is the end of the headers. And then I'm going to give it a gap just to make it a bit clear, and we're going to do something called tbody, which is table body. And we need to close that off. There we go. Now this is for the content of the table. Should have put table content, but oh well. And we're going to use a tr again, and we're going to close that off down here. Give it a bit of space to work with. And then we're going to open up our first line. So we're going to call it TD, which is for table, I believe. Oh, I forgot what TD stands for actually. Anyway, we'll continue. And we're going to give this person a name called Bob. We're going to say that Bob is 24. We're going to say that Bob lives in the UK, my country. And that is our first row. So I will just save that, and we will save this in a folder of your choice. I'm going to call it index.html, and I'm going to save this as a HTML file like so, and then we will just run this in Chrome and you will see. So name, age and location is from this bit of the code here, and the th makes it bold. The tbody is everything underneath this, and we use a tr for each time we want to this bit here. So every time we want to add a new entry, we use tr. So I'll just do another couple just to show you. Always make sure to close off all of your tags as soon as you open one, that way you avoid any mistakes, and it's nice to clear everything up a bit and make it a bit more tidy. So we'll say this person's called Sally, and we will say that Sally is 46, and we will say that Sally lives in Australia, and that is the second entry. And we'll just do one more, and we will close off the tr tag, and we will say that this person is called Fred, and we will close off this tag. Fred is 13, and Fred lives in the USA. And just so everyone is aware, that is the third entry. Now this is the end of content, and this is the end of table, and this is the end of the body and end of the HTML code. we will save it and we will run that, and I'll just show you guys. Ta-da! So now you have created a table. Thank you for watching. I will be making another video just after this, and it will be using CSS to style it a bit more, so be sure to keep your eye out for that if you are interested. If you've got any questions or you've got any errors or mistakes or problems, just drop a comment in the comment section of the video and I will be sure to try and help you guys. If you've got any suggestions for videos you want to see, drop a comment and I will try and make one. Please give it a thumbs up if it's helped and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye guys.